Okay, good morning YouTube. Today I'm going to endeavour to fit this bizarre device, which is a steering damper, to my Watsonian GP 700 Sidecar Yamaha Fagstar 1100 outfit. It goes somewhere down there. I've seen some photos, but Ben haven't had any instructions yet. The idea is that one end attaches to where the brake calipers fit and the other end attaches to some part of the sidecar. This is part of the kit and that's about as far as I've got. So I will try and put the camera somewhere where it can see me cobbling about. We shall have to see on that one. Stand by. Here we go again. So, brake calipers there. We need to attach this to there. You can already see some difficulty here because that is too small for that. Okay, this could be the shortest instructional video going. Am I being dim? Could be. Do I even need that bit? I wonder. I might be able to do without this piece, which will then just be attached there. Maybe we don't need that bit. Could it be that we don't need that bit? So we'll put this top bolt back in. Oh, this is something of a Chinese puzzle we've got here. Do we fit it to the top bolt or the bottom bolt? So one bolt out, which we will replace with this bolt. Is it even the same thread, we have to ask ourselves? No, it's not even the same thread. So that is a complete red herring and that will not work. Okay. That leaves me slightly stumped. Okay, jump forward quite a few days and as you can see we have a 56mm aluminium bracket which fits the lower fork tube pretty well, and then the hole that was there which was too small has been tapped to the correct size for the bolt, and then the other end attached like so. And we have had a little sneaky preview, a successful ride out this morning, so that is good news. We are today testing out the steering damper that I have fitted. Just moving it, just actually moving the bike back, it was obvious that it wasn't right, so I have made some adjustments and Boo and I are going to go over towards Hamworthy. Oh, it's going to feel very different this, but we've got to give it a go. Okay, here we go. Left lock is okay. Sort of right lock's okay. It's going to feel different though, so we've got to be prepared for that. It's going to be a busy Saturday today. Everybody's going to be going down to Sandbanks Beach. We were in Weymouth at 6 o'clock this morning, unbelievably. So Oh, it's a little bit harder to turn. And it was already quite hard to turn. So, I'm not sure about that. But hopefully, when we get going, it should be much more comfortable and a lot less head wobbly. I might have to swap the microphone, I think. I don't think it's in the best possible spot. So we are going to pull over here just for a second. Whoop. And off we go again. Whoa, wrong gear. So far, feels pretty good. Right, Boo, we've got a corner coming up. Let's see how this goes. This is a 180. Well, that was all right. That was all right. Okay. Let's see if we can get anywhere near the middle of the pool. Round we go. Whoop. That was okay. So, right-hander. That's okay. This next one should be a good test. Big roundabout. Going on. And then we go round to the right. Quite hard work, but it's okay. And now we're going to go round to the left. Also quite hard work, but not bad. No head wobble at all. So that's good. Whoop whoop. That is good news. So far so good still. Gonna go over the Twin Sails Bridge in a minute. Definitely need to have some strength. But it is so much smoother. I can't quite believe it. I did pack the spanners just in case. But no, still looking good down there. And the bridge is down. So over the Twin Sails Bridge, which is a really cool bridge. Doesn't always work. It does break down quite a lot. But here we go. It's a bit blowy. One hand, no problem. That's good. That is good. I can actually relax my hands on the bars, whereas previously I was gripping hold of them. Okay, this road is Stinker, and we're going to get into second or third, and then one-handed